Well, the first thing we are going to do is to go to Google. Once you are there, type on the search bar ai.invideo.io. Then, you will see this window, from where you can start creation right away. However, I would like to show you that they have different subscription plans, which you can select according to your needs. There is the free plan that will allow you to create 4 videos per week with watermarks. Another plan for $25, which allows you to create 50 minutes of video. And the last one, with 200 minutes per user. I signed up for the max subscription, only one user, so I can produce 200 minutes of video using iStock footage. Let's close this and go to the editing panel. Here, we are going to select Create AI Video. And it is going to open the window that we saw at the beginning. Here, you can operate in different ways. If you click on Select Workflow, a set of interesting options will drop down. Whether you want to create a YouTube short format video, a YouTube explainer, recent event video or script video. If you click on YouTube explainer, a new window will pop up, where you will be able to introduce the prompt of what you want to create, and a few other options, such as the type of voiceover and so on. But, in this opportunity we are going to skip these steps and go to the first editing screen. Once here, you must type or paste your prompt. For example, create a YouTube video under 3 minutes, on AI's influence in content creation. The video should maintain an enigmatic and dramatic tone, narrated by a middle-aged British male voice. Let's separate the paragraphs for better understanding. The script should emphasize 4 positive and 4 negative aspects of AI's impact in line with the following article as a reference. It means that you can even link an article from the internet, or any other content on the internet, that is related to the video you want to create. The software will analyze it, summarize it and use it as a reference when creating the video. We are just going to copy and paste the link below the prompt. And if you want to see the magic happens, just click on Generate a Video. Now it starts by analyzing the prompt. Once done it start thinking and then summarizing the linked article. After all that steps are done, a window with a few questions will pop up. In this case we must specify the audience that is going to watch the video, the look and feel and the platform, where the video is going to be shared. You can also edit the prompt again, by clicking on Edit Prompt. For this particular video, it gave us the right choices already, so we will just continue. And now, we finally start cooking our AI generate video for YouTube. Going from analyzing the provided information, planning the script, generating the script, and finally creating all the content. And voila, of course I speeded it up, for the purpose of making this video for you guys. In reality it took around 4 minutes to generate it, which is insane, if you compare with the time it would have taken by making it manually. Now I am going to show you a fragment of 1 minute from the generated video, so you can have a clear idea of how precise and effective this tool is.
Imagine if a machine could craft a compelling narrative or write an engaging blog post. It's not science fiction, but a reality in the era of artificial intelligence. The world of content creation was shaken when ChatGPT was launched, marking a pivotal moment in this field. This marvel of AI technology generates text-based content, serving various purposes from research to topic generation. Yet like all revolutionary inventions, it's a double-edged sword, with advantages and disadvantages that we need to consider. AI's role in content creation is undeniable, but what does it mean for creators and consumers? The advent of AI in content creation presents numerous advantages. Let's delve into the first advantage: speed. With AI, content can be generated at a pace that leaves even the most diligent humans in the dust. The ability to churn out high volumes of content in mere seconds is a game changer, propelling productivity to new heights. Secondly, AI boasts cost-effectiveness. It reduces the need for large creative teams and eliminates overtime costs, making it a financially sensible choice.
Well, the answer is yes. It made it in 4 minutes. The script, the voiceover, the music, the footage, the article analysis, and it also added some caption in specific moments, all at once in a matter of a few minutes. However, we are not fully convinced with the final result. We want to do some adjustments that will enhance the quality of the video and the experience for the watcher. It is completely possible to edit and customize this video, as much as you want. Let's start by using the AI editing bar at the bottom of the video. By default it is going to show you some options that you may want to change in the video. But what we really want is to change the music, so let's go for it. By typing change the music to epic and cinematic and clicking generate. The second thing will be to add subtitle to the entire video, so just by typing add subtitles and then generate, we will be able to have the subtitles in seconds. Now, we want to show you, remember we have changed the music to epic and cinematic, and added English subtitles that match perfectly the voiceover.
Imagine if a machine could craft a compelling narrative or write an engaging blog post. It's not science fiction, but a reality in the era of artificial intelligence. The world of content creation was shaken when ChatGPT was launched, marking a pivotal moment in this field. This marvel of AI technology generates text-based content, serving various purposes from research to topic generation. Yet like all revolutionary inventions, it's a double-edged sword, with advantages and disadvantages that we need to consider. AI's role in content creation is undeniable, but what does it mean for creators and consumers? The advent of AI in content creation presents numerous advantages.
Unbelievable, it made exactly what we wanted. I'll speed this up, so I could show you additional editing options that will blow your mind. This time let's try by clicking in the edit button. It will bring you to a place where you will be able to change the footage or edit the script and adapt it to your convenience. The cool thing is that if you select a video clip, it will automatically highlight the part of the script that belongs to that part of the video. It makes the editing a lot easier. We are actually very pleased with the script that it created from the article that we provided as a reference, but there are parts of the footage that we want to replace. Let's get right into it. The first one is just right here. We don't like the cartoon look feel, so you must just click on it and then go down to the search bar, where you will type what you want. In this particular case, we want something AI related. And here they are. We actually didn't have to scroll down so much to find the right one. When you click over the one that you want, it will automatically substitute the not desired footage, as you can see up in the media section. Then, with the second one, due to the exact same reason, but this time, we are looking for a robot. If you prefer, you can also upload your own media. But this is not the case. Let's find a nice clip. Maybe this one could work. Oh yes, definitely we will go for that one. Now, please just go down and click on apply. It is going to take a few seconds to generate the changes, and now you can see the final result. Here is the one we changed first and here the last one, with the robots. Make sure you are happy with your new AI creation, and proceed to export your video. By clicking in export, you'll be guided to the export settings pop-up. Then click continue and wait a few seconds that will vary according the length of the video. I'll leave the link to this insane tool in the description. Make sure to check it out. Thanks, and see you in the next video.